Hello everyone, this is Shobha Chahar and I welcome you all to my new channel, which is Grammar Race. So what I am going to do on my channel is I will be dealing with the two aspects. In aspect 1, I will be taking the various topics from the grammar, and in aspect 2, I will be giving you the major tips and the bit of tips in order to enhance your communication to converse remarkably with the people. So today's topic is entitled as nouns. So let's get a start. Here we go.
So here we are with the topic, what are the nouns? As the first point reads, nouns are the naming words, which means nouns are the words which consist of names, or you can say these are the words which have names. Hence they are known as naming words. And these names could be a name of people, animal, place, thing, ideas एंड ग्रुप एज वेल. इन कंसाइज मैनर जो आपके नाउन्स होते हैं वो पर्टेन करते हैं किसी पर्सन के नेम को, एनिमल के नेम को, प्लेस, थिंग, आइडिया एंड ग्रुप एज वेल. इन सभी के नेम को नाउन्स क्या करते हैं, रेफर करते हैं, पर्टेन करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नीता एंड रीता, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पर्सन्स, सो दे बिकम द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नाउन. Similarly, elephant, cow and lion, these are pertaining to the example of animals, so they become the examples of nouns, or you can say noun. And so on for notebook, pen, happy and angry, these are also the name of anything. For example, notebook and pen, these are the names of things. Happy and angry, these are the names of feelings, right? So they are, in concise manner, they are the example of nouns, or you can say nouns. I wish the definition of noun is clear to you all. Moving to the next slide. Kinds of nouns. I have come to know a very interesting thing about grammar, that it consists of all kinds of kinds and types. So here we have to talk about the kinds of nouns, and these are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and concrete noun. And what are these nouns? I will be explaining you in the further slide in a very concise manner. Proper noun. Here you have to emphasize on this term, proper, which means very specific and particular. And noun, as I told you in the very first slide, nouns are the naming words, which mean a name. So it becomes a specific, particular name. Reading the point, individual name of person, place, animal or thing. So proper nouns are nothing but these are the individual, specific and particular name of a person, place, animals or thing. For instance, किसी पर्सन का इंडिविजुअल नेम क्या हो सकता है, स्पेसिफिक और पर्टिकुलर नेम क्या हो सकता है, कुछ भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव गिवन रोहन एंड मोहन. Any person's name that you know and I know, right? But it should be very specific and particular. Then it becomes the example of proper noun. For place, Indore and Noida, remember it should be specific and particular name, right? For animal, Tommy, Catty. But suppose if I have given only dog and cat here, you can't relate them with the example of proper noun, because dog is a very common term, right? It doesn't have a particular name and identity. Similarly for cat, it also doesn't have any particular and specific name. So when I give them a name, for dog I have given Tommy and for cat I have given Catty, so they become the example of proper noun. Okay. Similarly for thing, Natraj and Sony. Clear? So moving to the next one, common noun. again you have to emphasize on the very first term, that is common, which means anything which is very common to you, to me, right, which doesn't have a specific and particular name. So common noun are the names of person, place, animal and thing, but these are common to everyone or everything, which means these words, or you can say these nouns don't have a specific and particular name. These are very common to everyone or to everything, right? कोई भी इनकी एक खुद का कोई नाम नहीं होता, कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं होती, ये बहुत कॉमन होते हैं. फॉर इंस्टेंस गॉड, देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक नेम फॉर given for the god, so it is an example of common noun. Similarly for bird, girl and man, no specific name and particular name is given for bird, girl and man, so these become the example of common noun. Moving to the next slide. Okay. So here at the last I have conducted a quiz for you all. I hope you will relish it and enjoy it. So what I have done is I have listed down the names of, I have just listed down the nouns, okay, the various nouns. So what you have to do is you have to find out which kind of noun and type of noun these terms belong to, right? Whether they belong to proper noun, whether they belong to common noun. Redford, it's the specific and particular name of a monument, so it becomes example of proper noun. Doll, it doesn't have a specific name. I don't know which doll I want to buy. It doesn't have a specific name and a particular name, so it is an example of common noun. Women, it also doesn't have a specific name, so it's an example of common noun. Paris, it does have a specific name. It's the name of a city, so it is an example of proper noun. Similarly, boy and horse, they don't have a particular name, so these are the examples of common noun. I hope you like the video. If so, please do subscribe my channel, like the video and share it as much as possible.